Site insertion is a unique feature of Artlantis. It allows you to visualize a building project in the context of its future site. Let's switch to the Site Insertion Inspector. The method for calculating the site insertion has been redesigned for simpler and easier use. The step-by-step settings will guide you through the process. There are also standard settings to customize the heliodon, lighting group, neon shader, and layers. Start with the background image. It can be a photo taken with a digital camera or a mobile phone. The preview will be automatically stretched, and the same size will be applied to the final rendering as well. You can also adjust the brightness of this background with the slider, or enter the exact number. If this photo has enough metadata, Artlantis can create a heliodon with the position and time when the photo was taken. The next step is to define the bounding box in the preview, and thus position the XYZ coordinates in the preview. Set the origin of the axes and its two sides in the preview. Position the axes origin, match the red x-axis, the green y-axis, and the blue solid line of the z-axis in the 2D view with the ones in the preview, and set the scale indicator using the yellow dot on the chosen axis. To ensure that they are in the right position, you will need to check all views in the 2D window. In the preview, turning the mouse wheel can activate the magnifying glass, which helps you to zoom in and out and place the axes or scales indicator precisely on the background image. Clicking Next, the camera will be adjusted and calibrated automatically. During this step, you can adjust the two pairs of dashed lines in the preview if the model is not well positioned. Click OK to close the dialog. You may notice that a part of the background is covered by the model, so prepare a foreground from the background image and edit the alpha channel. In the Alpha Mask Editor, use the mouse wheel to zoom in and out the image. Select the line marker, then click and drag the mouse to draw zones to define the front and back. The front will preserve the original colors of the image, while the back will get a colored mask. In the color mode, the selection is based on the color of the pixel you click first. As you enlarge the circle of the selection, you can include more colors. Use the brush tool to paint on the image. The slider in the button can adjust the thickness of the brush. After it's applied, the covered part will be shown. Don't forget to set the heliodon according to your background in the Heliodon Inspector. We hope you enjoyed learning how to insert a building model into a photo of the building's future surroundings.